Still feeling the crunch of living paycheck to paycheck? If you're looking for a way to make some quick and simple extra money, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 different ways to make some fast cash that all take less than 10 minutes of your time. These ideas are all easy and low effort. These methods are especially ideal for people who want to generate passive income on the side. So, watch the video all through, check the description box for amazing making money hacks. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. Stuck? Do you need some fast cash? We are talking about relatively little sums of money here, not millions of dollars, but enough to satisfy our financial commitments. Listed here are some quick ways to make some extra cash. And fortunately, you can get started with no money. 1. Participate in market research. Market research is a technique to make easy money. Completing an online survey on a company's goods is easy money for little work. Or, firms may pay you to join a focus group to give your view. This often entails providing written or spoken responses to surveys and polls in exchange for financial compensation. Since research isn't time-consuming, it's a terrific method to get additional money. You can find many opportunities on focusgroup.com and SurveyJunkie. 2. List your used books and video games on Amazon. Posting used items for sale on Amazon's marketplace is a simple process. If you have high-priced college textbooks, you can earn more than a little extra cash. The books should be in a good shape. It's worth noting that if you're not selling anything directly on Amazon, you can still become an Amazon associate and join their affiliate marketing network to make a passive income. 3. Answer questions. Participate as a helpful online resource for those in need of advice. People whose specialized expertise may make money on Just Answer and similar sites by answering questions from customers who would otherwise have to spend a substantial fee to get the same information elsewhere. You can get started right away with only a computer, some knowledge, and an interest in a certain niche market, and it's a great way to make some extra income quickly and easily. 4. Sell your photos. Interested in photography and think you may have a knack for it? If you're skilled enough, you can use sites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto to make a living doing something you love without doing any work at all. 5. Do micro gigs on Mechanical Turk. The Amazon Mechanical Turk platform is a place where you may be paid to do simple tasks. You don't need any kind of formal training or education. Human intelligence activities may range from simple mouse clicks and survey responses to more complex ones like content categorization and voice recognition. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and it will be great if you leave a comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.